and in this video we will learn present perfect continuous tense, which is also known as present perfect progressive tense. So don't confuse in between. Both the tenses are same. This is another advanced tense and it is special in terms of time because it does not only talks about the past or the present but both of them. It also acts as a linking channel between the past and the present, similar to the present perfect tense, but it talks about something that happened in past and is still continuing in the present. कोई भी ऐसा एक्शन, कोई भी सिचुएशन, कोई भी इंसिडेंट जो पास्ट में शुरू हुआ है और वो अगर अभी प्रेजेंट टाइम में भी कंटिन्यू है तो वो सिचुएशन, वो इंसिडेंट हमारा प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस का होगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई हैव बीन मेकिंग वीडियो फॉर 3 hours. मैं पिछले 3 घंटे से वीडियो बना रही हूँ. सो आई हैव स्टार्टेड मेकिंग वीडियो इन द पास्ट, राइट. 3 घंटे पहले बनाना शुरू किया था और मैं अभी तक वीडियो बना रही हूँ. या फिर आई एम डूइंग सम वर्क फॉर 2 hours. मैं पिछले 2 घंटे से कोई काम कर रही हूँ. सो दिस इज हाउ वी कैन डिस्क्राइब द प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस. नाउ it's time to learn how to construct sentences. For positive sentence, the structure is subject plus has or have plus been plus first form of verb plus ing. For example, he has been playing football for 2 hours. For negative sentence, the structure is subject plus has or have plus not plus been plus first form of verb plus ing. For example, he has not been playing football for 2 hours. For asking questions, the structure is has or have plus subject plus been plus first form of verb plus ing. For example, has he been playing football for 2 hours? Kindly have a look on these examples too. Let us see when to use present perfect continuous tense. We use this tense to emphasize on duration of action. जब भी हमें किसी चीज़ के टाइम की बात करते हैं, उसकी समय सीमा की बात करते हैं, तब हम प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस का यूज़ करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई हैव बीन लर्निंग फ्रेंच सिंस आई वेंट टू स्कूल. मैं जब स्कूल में था तब से फ्रेंच सीख रहा हूँ. सो ही स्टार्टेड लर्निंग फ्रेंच व्हेन ही वॉज इन स्कूल एंड टिल नाउ ही इज़ डूइंग द सेम. सेकेंड, टू एक्सप्रेस एंगर एंड इरिटेशन. जब आपको गुस्सा दिखाना हो, इफ़ समवन डिस्टर्ब्स यू और बहुत देर से आप इरिटेट हो गए हो, तो यू कैन से वाई हैव यू बीन डिस्टर्बिंग मी. सो द एक्शन of disturbing has started in past. चाहे वो 5 मिनट पहले हो, चाहे वो आधे घंटे पहले हो या वो 2 घंटे पहले हो, उन्होंने आपको डिस्टर्ब करना शुरू करा और अब जाके आप इरिटेट हुए तो आपने बोला why have you been disturbing me, right? Another, to talk about time bound expressions. For example, he has been watching TV for 2 hours. He has been smoking since 2015. जब भी हम किसी पर्टिकुलर टाइम को स्पेसिफाई करते हैं जो कि पास्ट में स्टार्ट हुआ है, हम पास्ट के टाइम को बताते हैं और अभी तक वो कंटिन्यू हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वह 2 घंटे से टीवी देख रहा है या वह 2015 से स्मोक कर रहा है. सो वी हैव स्पेसिफाइड द टाइम that when the person has started that action and is still true and continued. Remember, we don't use any continuous tense with stative verbs. Stative verbs is one that describes a state of being. So, with present perfect continuous, we will not use stative verb. Stative verbs often relate to thoughts and opinions such as agree, guess, think, etc. Feelings and emotions such as hate, love, want, etc. Senses and perception like appear, look, see, seem, etc. Possession and measurement such as belong, have, measure, weigh, etc. However, sometimes a verb such as think, have, see, agree, taste, etc. can be stative and dynamic both. Dynamic verbs are those verbs which describes an action, whereas stative verbs describes a state of being. So, while writing, pay a little more attention and all this will be easy to go. Take the quiz to assess yourself. Link is in the description. Let's have a quick recap of what all we have learned till now. In this e-learning series, we have studied present tense and get to know that we use this tense to locate a situation or event in the present time. It has 4 parts. First, present simple, which is also known as present indefinite. We use this tense to talk about facts, generalizations, habits, repeated actions or any scheduled future event. Second, present continuous, also known as present progressive. This tense talks about an action taking place right now or a planned future action. Third, present perfect tense, which connects past and present. It describes an action done in past but has a result in present or is still true. To talk about a past action which is not over yet or has an unfinished time, or to talk about past repetitive or an action over just now. Fourth, present perfect continuous or present perfect progressive tense. It talks about an action started in past and continuing even now, or a duration of past to now. It is also a linking tense between the past and present. Congratulations learners! We have completed all the 4 parts of present tense and now you have the hang of it. I wish this e-learning video series would be a great aid in learning tenses and constructing sentences. I'll meet you with the next video series of the past tense. Till then, stay tuned and stay smiling.